Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your cursor to your Firebase for your next coding project. So step 1, open your cursor project and make sure that it supports JavaScript or TypeScript because Firebase works best in these environments. Step 2, in your terminal, install Firebase SDK by running this code. Step 3, go to the Firebase console and create a new project and set up a web app. You will get your configuration object containing keys like API key, auth domain, and project ID. Step 4. In your cursor project, create a file like this one, and then you can copy this and paste it there. Step 5. Import this config wherever needed, like for Firestore or auth models, for example, this code. And then you will be connected and ready to use Firebase services directly within your cursor. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.